tougher? Was it a tough gut punch there at the end? You got what it takes. What do you think?
I don't know. When you dominate 60.
Honestly, this is probably one of the hardest race time issues, trying to keep up with these guys because they're going fast. Just another day at S&M here.
Looks like they're having a problem with the jack right now.
How do you feel about this today? Pretty good?
Oh yeah, man. Chasing a race with Gio.
That's right.
Do it every year. Guys, this is Mena pit stop for Jack and Steve Olagus.